Welcome to CarGuru DIY. First, I would like to thank Stellantis and you, Peugeot, from Sheffield, for allowing me to take measurements of the car boot. Thanks to this car dealership, I was able to create another helpful video for you. Now, let's get started. If you are searching for a car that can fit a baby stroller, a wheelchair, or even a mobility scooter in the trunk, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you the exact trunk dimensions in centimeters, so you will know for sure if it meets your needs. Whether you are a parent, a caregiver, or just looking for space and practicality. This could save your time and hassle at the dealership. So let's get into it. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to CarGuru DIY for more honest, practical car insights.